Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1988 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. For the circuit shown below, what is the output function f? We are going to write the output function f for the given circuit. Input is nothing but x, so x is going to be available across both the inputs of this XOR gate, and one of the inputs of XOR gate is connected x. Okay, so this is XOR gate 1, it is XOR gate 2, it is XOR gate 3. So we should know about the truth table of XOR gate. XOR gate truth table, let us assume A, B are going to be inputs. At that time output is y, for example. By that time 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. From this one you can get 0 0 is nothing but 0 1 1 0. It is nothing but truth table for the XOR gate. Okay, truth table for XOR gate. From this one we can conclude four important points from this truth table that we will see. First important point, okay, if A is equal to 0, what you are going to be getting, f is equal to. If A is equal to 0 implies nothing but simply you are looking at this one. Okay, so these two rows, if you are observing, at that time A is equal to 0. Once one of the input is going to be at constant, output depends on other input. If A is kept at 0, at that time other input is nothing but B. Y will depend on B. So compare Y and B. Okay. So whenever A is equal to 0, if B is 0, output is 0. If B is 1, output is 1. So whatever the value of B, that will be the output. So you can write it as f itself is nothing but B. Otherwise, if A is equal to 1, that is one of the input is going to be constant, at that time output depends on the other input. Other input is nothing but B. Now compare Y and B. If B is equal to 0, output is 1. If B is equal to 1, output is 0 from the last two rows. So that implies nothing but f is complement of B you are getting. So f is equal to B bar. Otherwise you can get, if A is equal to B, A is equal to B is nothing but whenever both the inputs are at the same values, that is nothing but both are 0 0 or 1 1 combinations. Okay, if A is equal to B, that is nothing but 0 0 combination, 1 1 combination. By that time f is equal to 0. Next, fourth important point is nothing but, if A is equal to B bar, that is nothing but A value is complement of B. So it can be either 0 1 or 1 0 combination. So if both the inputs are complement of each other, by that time output will be always 1. So for this, from these 4 points we are going to get the equation for f, the value for the f. Okay, now look at the first one. For this first one, both the inputs are going to be at the same level, xx. Okay, both inputs are same, that is nothing but you are going with A is equal to B. Both inputs are same, by that time f will be 0. Output of this XOR gate is 0. And whenever one of the input is going to be fixed at 0 for the XOR gate, at that time output depends on other inputs. So if A is equal to 0, you are getting f is equal to B. So output is nothing but same as the other input. So you will get it as x. Now x and x you are going with. Again both inputs are going to be same. Whenever both inputs are same, f will be 0. So the right answer for this one is nothing but f is equal to 0. Okay, for the circuit given f is equal to 0 is the right answer. Thank you.